Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you real quick about what you can be doing to your lawn right now, what you should be doing to your lawn right now, if anything, in regards to applications for a lawn care program. We're kind of between applications right now, between the two most important applications of any lawn care program. We finished up the fall pre-emergent here recently. That's going to be September, October, early November, and then we move on to the spring pre-emergent come January and February. So there is something really beneficial that you can do right now in between those two applications. We like to call it a soil enhancement application. And what it is it's a product we use called K-Mag, and it's a potassium application. That's all it is. It's a potassium application, and what that does, it's a treatment for the soil that helps develop the root system. It helps it, the root system grow. It helps it branch out, which makes it much stronger, and a stronger root system in turn makes your lawn more drought tolerant. It makes it more cold tolerant, more hardy to cold weather, particularly if you have St. Augustine. You want your lawn to be very hardy to cold weather, especially going into the next couple of months. If we have a cold winter, it can cause problems for St. Augustine lawns, but all lawns need it. It also helps with water absorption, helps your waterings just work better. So all in all, it's just a good application to do for your lawn. Right now is a good time to do it. Going into these cold months, get it down before the end of December. That way you've got it down before we get into the coldest part of the winter. So it's a good thing to do. Again, we use a product called K-Mag. You can just look up a potassium fertilizer. It doesn't have to have the magnesium in it. Magnesium does help with root system growth. It also helps with coloring. We're not real concerned with that right now. We're just concerned with the potassium. That's what you really want to put down. So so go ahead and get that done. It's a good idea. If you have any questions or need any help with that, just let us know. Thanks.